Good morning, moonshine and sunshine, and welcome to our phonics lesson today. We're going to be learning a new sound, and it is got and put them together, and it makes the sound E. What can you see? E. What can you see? Can you say that sound for me again? Brilliant. I'm going to hide it in some sounds that we already know. And when you see this sound E, point to it and go E. Let's practice. E. Brilliant. Okay, here we go then. Let's go. Sh. T. A. G. Z. E. I hope you spotted this sound. Okay, I'm going to show you some words that have got the E sound in them. So here is our sound E, and we have got this word, E, C, E, N, green, E, keep, E, sleep. Special friend E, C, green, keep, and sleep. On the next slide, you will see some words that have got the E sound in and some words that haven't got the E sound. Have a look at them and write down the words that do have the words with the E sound, but don't write down the words with the not the E sound. See if you can work it out. Okay, so here you can see our new E sound, and here around the outside you can see the words. Pause the video and go through them and read them, and then write down the two words that have got the E sound in. Pause the video now. Okay, so I hope that you saw eel, feel, eat, sweet. Feel and sweet are the two words that have the special friend E in. Shop. Shop. Does that have E in? No. Does that have the E sound in? No. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the phonics session today, and we'll see you again tomorrow. Goodbye.